Hey guys, welcome back once again. As of now, we have developed this to-do application in which we are able to add a new to-do successfully and we are able to delete a to-do. So, in this video, I will show you how to deploy this to-do application on GitHub. So, let's get started. Now, let's go to the GitHub. Okay, type github.com, and now if you don't have GitHub account, please create a new account. Okay, and here we are going to create a new repository. In that repository we are going to keep to-do application files. So click here new and create a new repository, and let's call it as my to-do app. Okay, and hit enter. So it will create a repository for you, as you can see here. Okay, let's copy this one. The next thing, your machine should have Git installed. If you are using MacBook, you don't need to worry because Git will be already there. For Windows user, please download Git and install it. For that, you need to go to this website. Okay, and you can find this link in description of this video. Okay, now let's come to the VS Code here. Okay, now you need to install a new package to your to-do application that is called GHPage. So npm install GHPage. Okay, once again you can get this package in description of this video. Now hit enter. So already I have done that, so I am not going to install once again. Now in order to deploy our application on GitHub, we need to make modification in package.json. So let's go to this file, and here we need to add a new property called homepage. Okay, so we are going to add here homepage. Okay, and the value to this one is going to be HTTPS and our GitHub account name, GitHub ID we can say. So what is the GitHub ID I have? So Vikas62081. So I need to give it there. So I can write here Vikas62081 dot github.io. Okay, / I need to give repository name. So what is the repository name of mine? So I have created this repository, my to-do app. So let's copy this one and paste it here. Okay, and here we need to add comma. So now how we have formed this one? This is going to be our GitHub ID and github.io, and / this is going to be our repository name. Okay, so now we need to modify here in script file because we are going to deploy this application. For that we need to write here deploy. Okay, and the value is going to be GHPage. Okay, and directory is going to be your build. So I am defining that, so it have to deploy this build file. Okay, this is the folder location. Now before deploying we are going to create a build. So for that we need to write here pre deploy. Okay, and here what I am going to do, I need to write here npm run build. Okay, so in double quote I need to write. So what is the meaning of this? So before deploying means if I am trying to deploy, what it will do? It will create a build. Okay, I will get a build folder. It will deploy that folder to the GitHub. Okay, so let me repeat once again. I added the new property here called homepage and this URL. So this is going to be your GitHub ID dot github.io, and this is going to be your repository name, that is called a repo as well. The next thing, we have modified script. So here we added pre-deploy and deploy. Okay, so now let's save it. And now it's time to push our code on GitHub. Okay, so for that I need to write here git init. Okay, this command will work once git is installed in your system. So this file will create a git on my system. Okay, so now you can see here I am getting this, okay, untracked and all those. So what I have to do, I need to push this. So git add and dot, that means I am trying to add all the files. Okay, and now git commit and let's give message deployment. Okay, save it. Okay, now we need to push. So git push, what we are getting, so git remote add. So we need to write this one. So let's write git remote add origin. Okay, and we need to copy this link. Okay, and paste it here, hit enter. We are done. And now git push. Okay, so once again copy this link and paste it and hit enter. Okay, so this, what this command will do, it will push our all the code to the GitHub. Okay, and now it has done. So now let's come to the GitHub and let me click on this link. So you can see here deployment, what is the message I have given here, and it's got uploaded here. Now our project is uploaded on GitHub. Let's deploy this application. So for that, here I need to write npm run deploy. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so what it is going to do basically, so it will create a build file for me. Okay, after that it will deploy this application to this URL. Okay, you can see here creating an optimized production build. As you can see here, it has been published. Okay, so now let me go to GitHub and refresh this page. Okay, and from here I can go to the setting. Okay, and you can come to here. Can you see here GitHub page? Source is GitHub page. So if you are clicking on this link, you can see your application, right? And what is the path? This is the GitHub ID and this is your repository name, right? So let me add here. Okay, let me copy this one and open in Incognito mode and hit enter. You can see here this is deployed in GitHub right now. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and here this is going to be end of this to do application development series. Okay, so do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you.